Okay, we're just gonna finish this really quick. Apparently, it got very windy. Gets the video cuts out of 15 minutes, so just a little bit more, and then I'll be done. I promise. All right, so basically taking a look at the Saud family and if they're going to be able to maintain their control inside of Saudi Arabia. They are also going to be taking a look at what is going to be the importance of energy. As we know, the importance of oil is starting to decrease. What does that mean for the Middle East? What does that mean for the rest of the world? And basically, what does the future of what is the post oil world look like? And where does the Middle East stand in that kind of world? There might be some other things that we throw in at the end, depending upon what we see and basically what happens in the world. And then again, that is the end of the Middle East. Sorry, I went over a little bit to the next time period. One last thing I wanted to do for today is give my kids a shout out. So those are my three kids. So we've got Sullivan, Jackson, and then Dylan. Jackson is going to graduate tomorrow for the virtual graduation from St. Bonaventure University with a degree in or not political science. That was my degree. Computer science is his degree. So he's going to graduate virtually tomorrow. So just very proud of him, and that he made it. It's done. And then Dylan is also graduating this year. She is going to graduate from Mount Lebanon High School, and she's then going to be off to Purdue in the fall, hopefully, if they're going to have real classes. And she's going to be studying pharmacy. And then Sally technically is also graduating, although I really consider graduation something when you finish a system, not continue to the next step of a system. But he is in eighth grade this year, and he will then be going to the high school. So just congratulations to everyone who is moving on and graduating. And hopefully this will be something that is going to be not necessarily 100% resolved, but at least we can figure out a way to manage it so we can actually see each other. So miss you guys and hope you guys have a good week. Bye.